Hey, James here. I'm not in the habit of sharing as much as I should, and you guys have done so much to support this project that it's time I shared a little bit more. Here you go. So some of the design pain here is happening in the home shop. It's nice to be close to it. Don't know what's happening most lately. Going for this board-to-board connector. That part's working out well for simplifying assembly, and battery. We're just using a stock power supply here, but these components will end up on this board. The latest trouble that I've been sorting out is in the demo units. It's been possible to turn it up high enough that it sort of drops out. It bangs. Or you're asking it for power and it can't deliver the power. So have been focused here on getting that right. That turns out to be just making sure we're not dropping too much voltage on the way to the amp, and that's what this experiment was about. And I'm happy this experiment worked with the shorter leads, a little more ampacity. We can limit the voltage drop to something that keeps the tactor working well and can just really hit beautifully hard. So that was a bug in the demos that we're getting rid of on the way to production. So yeah, that's what's happening in the design work day to day. So here we are in my office, and we can take a look at some of the stuff that's on my desk right now. So this is feedback from a contract manufacturer. Some of it is in Chinese, a lot of it. So getting some mileage out of Google Translate, and this is good. Here we can kind of walk you through what we're doing, because there's a group online. They really did a nice job talking about what it takes to get from here to there, from design to production. The upshot is through our early design efforts, they were all aimed at getting to engineering prototype. We're in the phase of taking our engineering prototype and having it ready to get to the engineering verification test. They lay out a nice 6-month process, and you can see how we're shooting for that: June, July, August, September, October, November. We want to deliver to you in November, 6 months. You know, we're here in this phase of 1 to 2 months of getting to a completed engineering prototype. We've got to come out with final PCBs and final plastic design. So there you were looking at PCBs that weren't final, but are becoming final. And we're working on final plastic design the next few weeks, and various other processes related to assembly. And then you move on to engineering validation tests in month 3, and design validation tests month 4, and so on. So there's a long way to go before we're in the thousands of units here for consumer products. There's parts on the desk and feedback from contract manufacturers and so on. So excited, making good progress, and yeah, that's what's happening lately.